Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Students, this is our social science class. Here we were discussing about the chapter The Southern Plateau, and we had discussed many points. So today we'll cover the remaining points of this chapter. We were discussing about the states of the Southern Plateau. Now let's start with the remaining cities of this state like Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, etc. Students will discuss these all points in detail. Now let's start with Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Jharkhand was carved out from the state of Bihar. Its capital is Ranchi. This state is rich in mineral deposits such as iron, copper, aluminium, and coal. Two major steel plants are located at Jamshedpur and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Students, the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, and this state is rich in minerals like iron, copper, aluminium, and coal, etc. Next, Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital. Other important cities are Cuttack and Puri. The Rath Yatra of Puri is famous all over India. Rice and jute are the main crops. The textile industry flourishes in Odisha. Ikat is a famous type of work done on cotton clothes. Odia is the official language. Odissi, one of the 8 classical dance forms of India, is native to the state of Odisha. Students, the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Rath Yatra is very famous here and in all over India. Rice and jute are main crops here and the official language of Odisha is Odia. Next, Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital city. Visakhapatnam is a vital port city. Agriculture is a major source of income for most people in Andhra Pradesh. Rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnuts are major crops. Andhra Pradesh is one of the largest producers of tobacco in India. Telugu and Urdu are popular languages. Kuchipudi is an eminent classical dance form. Vidri work on brass and copper is the famous handicraft of the state. Places of tourist interest include Undavali Caves, Tirumala Hills and the Balaji Temple at Tirupati, which is visited by lakhs of devotees every year. Students, Andhra Pradesh's capital is Hyderabad. The major source of income is agriculture. Rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut are major crops. The languages are spoken here, Telugu and Urdu. Next, Telangana. Telangana is a newly formed state which was most recently carved out from the state of Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Hyderabad. It shares its capital with Andhra Pradesh. Other important cities are Warangal and Nizamabad. The official language is Telugu. Agriculture is the major occupation of the people. Rice, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco are the major crops. Water for irrigation is provided by the rivers Godavari and Krishna. Hyderabad is the hub of major software industries. Major tourist attractions include Mahbubnagar, Khammam, also known as the coal town of South India, and Velam Cave in Kurnool. Students, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Telangana shares its capital with Andhra Pradesh. Here, the official language is Telugu, and Hyderabad is the hub of major software industries. Next, Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city. The state of Tamil Nadu is famous for its temple town, namely Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Thanjavur and Kanchipuram. The official language is Tamil, which is most of the oldest languages of our country. The state is famous for its Kanjivaram sarees. Agriculture is the main occupation. Rice, sugarcane, groundnut and cotton are the major crops grown here. Coffee and tea are also grown along the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. Pongal is the harvest festival of the state and Bharatnatyam is the classical dance form. Idli, dosa, upma and sambar form a part of the local cuisine. Students, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temple town like Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Thanjavur and Kanchipuram. Tamil is the official language and the oldest language of our country. Kanjivaram saris are very famous here and Pongal is the harvest festival. The classical dance form is Bharatnatyam. Next, Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city. It is a major center of IT, information technology industry, so much so that it is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India. Hubli, Mysore and Mangalore are other important cities. The Kaveri, Krishna and the Tungabhadra river drain the state with their water. Karnataka is home to many large waterfalls, Jog Falls and the Konchikal Fall to name a few. Kannada is the main language spoken. Karnataka is famous for its sandalwood trees. Spices are also grown here. Carnatic music is popular throughout the country. Gold is mined at the Hutti and Kolar gold mines. Students, the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. It is a major center of IT industry and known as Silicon Valley of India. Other important cities are Hubli, Mysore and Mangalore. The river drain here are Kaveri, Krishna and Tungabhadra. Karnataka is the home to many waterfalls like Jog Falls and Konchikal Falls. The main language spoken here is Kannada. Next, Maharashtra. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. It is the capital of the state of Maharashtra. This state is rich in black soil which is ideal for growing cotton and sugarcane. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. In addition, the state also produced fruits such as grapes, oranges and bananas. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous. Important cities include Pune, Nasik, Nagpur and Aurangabad. Marathi and Konkani are languages popularly spoken here. Ganesh Chaturthi and Gudi Padwa are festivals celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm. Maharashtrian women wear a special 9-meter saris which they tie in a unique way. Men wear dhoti kurta and Gandhi topi. Tamasha, a kind of dance form, is popular in Maharashtra as is Lavani, a folk dance form. Students, that's all about the chapter. I have underlined many points, so you underline all those points and understand them. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.